What is up, guys? Welcome back to yet another YouTube video. Apologize, I haven't been posting a lot. It's been I think it's been a month now since I posted my last video. Just a little bit of what's going on is I've been waiting for parts. I'm still waiting for parts. Obviously this takes time, and yeah, the car, I've just gone through MOT now with the car, and I've got my tax gone through, so quite a lot of things going on, and then obviously work and things like that. So I just YouTube when I can, but I have done a few little mods. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram yet, I'll leave a link in the description below. I have put on a strip, like an orange strip in the car, which looks absolutely sick, and I've sprayed the engine bay a bit, like just some components in the engine bay black, which look good. Well, I think they look good. So let me go over and show you guys, and you tell me what you think. So guys, this is the orange. Put a stripe on that, a pin stripe on that, so I'll leave a description below of where you get that link. It's only on Amazon, it's quite cheap. It kind of matches the alloys a little bit. Yeah, it looks good. Goes with the number plate. And then I've done the engine bay, guys, so sprayed these black, which I think looks better. Please bear with me, I'm not a spray painter, so I've got a link for that too. I'll leave that for you guys to have a look at. Blow that off. There you go. And yeah, it looks alright. It's not too bad. I might actually put carbon fiber strip on that, so I can carbon that out. And this, I might even do that orange, I'm not too sure. And then a friend suggested maybe make that bright orange. I might do, I don't know. The engine bay is quite, sorry for the motorbike and noise in the background, guys. I do live by a motorway, well, a normal road, but it's very busy. So yeah, what do you think of it, guys? Tell me what you think. Just a look now at the bonnet closed. Oh my god, I love it. I think it looks cool. It's not too much. Anyways, as you've read the title of this video, we are going to go for a drive in Scirocco. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I want to get a before and after sound video of the Scirocco as it is inside the car, just before I go and get a stage 2 plus remap on the car. So I just want to get that so I can compare in future, and I can use this video for my next video. Well, not my next video, but the next time I do a inside the car driving video. So we can just compare and we can see the difference and hear the difference and power exactly. So I'm going to put the GoPro on and we're going to head out in the car, and yeah, let's just go have some pulls. You can use this car as your daily, guys. Like, there's no, when people go, oh yeah, you can't use a Scirocco, oh my god, it's such a big car, like as an engine wise, obviously going for a 2 litre, and they complain about, oh, it's too big of a car, you can't use it on a daily basis. You can. I used to use this for work all the time. Now I have the privilege of working from home, so I don't use it anymore. So it sits on my drive and it gets work done and gets used for YouTube videos. So yeah, she doesn't get driven much. Not as much as I'd like, but soon, once the remap's done and everything else is done to it, I'm going to be featuring much more performance videos of this car. Maybe get some drags in and stuff. I don't know, we'll be a little bit crazy. Anyway, let's enjoy some pulls. I'm going to put it into manual now, and yeah, you'll see I can drop it down. Let's get some sounds. wait for some more cars to be clear. I don't like to pull too fast when there's cars on the road like this. Car is seriously so much fun to drive. If you're new to the channel and you're looking at a Scirocco and you don't know if you should get one or not, I'll tell you what, get one. It's a beautiful car. I'll slow it down now so I could do another pull. So if you do put your foot down flat, the car will automatically shift a gear down for you. It won't wait for you. But that's if you put your foot flat. There's like a second clicker on your foot pedal you'll feel in the top right. There's another Scirocco. If you push it really hard, you'll feel that clicker go in, and then the car seems to just drop gears as far as it wants to go, and then it just pulls through. But once I get the remap, there's that delay. I have a slight delay. When you do put your foot flat, it just goes, it drops a gear and it feels like it's waiting to build up, then pulls. But once I have the remap, that will be removed. If any of you guys have got a Scirocco with stage 2 or even a stage 1, let me know in the comments below, how does it feel? Does it feel responsive? You know, but make sure you have your DSG gearbox remap too. So I'm in automatic mode now. I'm going to let the car take control. It's got such a lovely pop to it. Honestly, it's got such a lovely pop to it. But if you're new to the channel, guys, so on this car I'm running a full Miltec with a race cat and a Miltec cat back. So if you guys wanted to know what it sounded like, then I think I do have a video, a previous video where it does have the sound of the with the GoPro and by the exhaust, so you can hear the pops and bangs. Not even pops and bangs, what I'm talking about, just the DSG farts. But now you'll have it inside. Even I don't know how loud it is going to be, but when I'll put it onto YouTube, but hopefully you guys can hear it, and hopefully you appreciate the sound it makes. So I'm going to do one more pull, guys, just down here, down the stretch to the right, and I think I'll end the video there. So I just want to say to you guys, thanks for subscribing, for watching my videos, and again, I do apologize for taking so long for this video. I've had a few people message me on Instagram going, when am I going to do this video, when am I going to do this video, because you want to hear what the car sounds like. So hopefully I've hit that taste bud and I've not disappointed. So if we drop it now, oh, such a sweet spot. How can you not love a VW Scirocco? Anyway guys, like I said, I'm going to end this video here. Please hit that subscribe button again, and just so you know, I've got the spoiler coming. I don't know when it's coming. I've ordered from AliExpress, guys, and if you've ordered from them before, you know what they're like. You get a delivery date of, I don't know. When it arrives, it arrives. So let's just see. It's a carbon spoiler, so I might have to do some cuts from what I've seen on YouTube, but hopefully it looks pretty sick, and yeah, I can get it in time before the Scirocco meet that's coming up. I may or may not go, I'm not too sure. I'll see. Anyway guys, thanks again for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.